Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. Today, I want to talk to you just a little bit about the concept of estate management. Specifically, when I talk about an estate, I mean all of your servers. And something that's really important when we're talking about estate management on your servers: versions. It's vital that you keep up with versions on your software. The reason being, there's a whole bunch of reasons, but one of the biggest is security. Frankly, older versions of the software usually have security holes. That's any software. It's not picking on SQL Server, not picking on Microsoft. Any software, open source software, doesn't matter. Third party, doesn't matter. Whoever you're working with, whatever you're doing, there's a really high probability that older versions of the software have security holes. That's why so much patching occurs. That's why Windows updates are constantly going on. There are always new threats. There are always new issues. And so you need to keep track of what version you have installed where. You need to know, really, all of the servers on your estate. You need to know every single server you have. I mean, if you ever want to hear horror stories, track someone down who lived through the Slammer virus. We found out all kinds of servers that we didn't know about. And servers that had, SA with no password. It was great fun. Anyway, when you get all of your estate under management and you understand what servers you have, the very next step then is to determine what version are they running, which service pack do they have, which cumulative update do they have. And you need to get these rolled out on a very, very aggressive basis. I would not say, as soon as it gets released, put it into production. That's, probably a little too fast. But as soon as it gets released, you should probably be immediately putting it through a set of testing and starting it through the process of getting into production within a very short period of time. Days. Literally days. Maybe a week. There's a reason that cumulative update came out. It's fixing a bug. It's fixing a security hole. And rather than wait, you should get involved. Now, one quick story, personal story. My blog, scarydba.com, runs on WordPress. There was a WordPress release. I knew about it, and I did not do the upgrade because I was getting ready to go on vacation, and I was just worried about other things, and so I just didn't sweat the upgrade. While I was gone, I got hacked. Now, luckily, they hacked me. They put up a weird blog post about separatists someplace. I forget what it was. It's all gone now, but I was able to get the blog back. Everything was fine. No big deal. I had backups. I was able to patch it. But I could have lost the entire thing because I wasn't keeping up with the patching. Now I keep up with the patching. I make sure that stuff's covered. And that's just a benign little example. Your SQL Server estate, you could have hundreds, thousands of SQL Server instances under management. You need to know what versions they're on. And so I strongly recommend you find some mechanism for getting that done. So if you want to get that thing under control, I recommend you take a look at monitor.redgate.com, and I'll put it down in the link below. Estates versions. It's an example of a new thing that we're trying out with tracking exactly what version, what cumulative update, what service pack you have under your estate. It's worth checking out. Thanks a lot. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.